Hey, Railbirds. Kevin and Lou here.
Hola, people.
Howdy, howdy. All right, we have more pool action for you. We have Susan Nightingale versus Karen Delapaz. That was Karen that just broke there. All right, we are coming at you live from the Route 34 Pub and Grub here in Sandwich, Illinois. This is a women's 8-ball tournament. Somewhere between 500 and 1,000 added. We're not sure on the money added yet. I still haven't been able to get that for you. What time is the game? Right now. Thanks for watching. All right, Susan, 433. And we don't know what Karen is. Has no cargo rate. Alrighty, back to business. All right, we have Susan at the table. So I am your host, Kevin Ross, Railbirds Productions. Thanks for joining us. Being also joined today by Lou Pang. How you doing, Lou?
Pretty good. How's everyone in the chat room doing?
They got to be doing great. They're just on a nice, lazy Saturday afternoon watching some pool. Life is good, right?
Well, you got a good pool, you have a good life.
All right, Karen at the table now. She comes to us from Illinois, born in Geneva, Illinois. Her sponsor, does that say Simply Senior Cleaning?
Server cleaning? I'm not sure.
I'm gonna have to ask her what that says. I can't read it. Oh, she has a pretty cool hobby. Saving lives at work. That's her hobby. Nice shot. Nicely done. All right, the remainder of these solids, it looks like they're all open. Looks like they all have a pocket. They're sitting pretty good. Yeah, right on, Sean. Oh,
It's okay.
may have overdid that a little,
Right.
or maybe not enough. One of the two. It's just kind of like
Right.
that 50-yard line here.
You can play the 5, come out 2 rails for the 4 in the same pocket, maybe.
Yeah, I think I might prefer just cutting the 4. Cut the 4 right now and come back and forth for the 5.
Hey, look, she's okay. Or you can just do that.
All right,
But
playing for the bank. Let's see if the banks are open today. Today is Saturday. Some banks are open, but not all of them. Let's see if the bank she goes to is open on Saturday.
it's open.
And straight in on the 8. That's not a bad shot.
Yeah, it's straight in, but these are pretty tough angles.
I just got word Sherry won her first match. Am I talking too loud? Am I hurting your ears?
No, you're okay. That's a nice shot. Those are
Uh,
tough eights. I
oh
always
yeah,
miss those.
absolutely. Yeah, those side pockets from angles like that,
Right,
they don't have to go.
right, right. It's straight in, but you got to be perfect.
All right, that was a nice run out there by Karen. Yeah, right on, face man. Says if you can see this, you're doing okay in life. Yep. Oh, real quickly here. We are playing CSI Rules 8 Ball, also known as BCA Rules. It is alternate break, rack your own. It is always open after the break, regardless of what was pocketed. The groups aren't established until you legally pocket a ball after the break. Date on the break is not a win or a loss. It gets spotted. And hold on.
The link on our event page for this is working. Click on it and come to our page.
Okay.
I don't know how to fix it. I tried to get it, it wouldn't go, and got a message from somebody.
All right, I was informed the link on our page isn't working, so I got to fix that too. Boy, just a day of technical difficulties.
Wow, this is a pretty open table.
That is a wide open table.
Yeah, it's almost like doing a drill.
Yeah, it's like not a ball within 6 inches of another ball. All right, don't tie up the 1. She's still okay. That 2's in a little bit of a funny spot, but she can get to the 2 from the 3, like the 2 in the side pocket from the 3 is a possibility. So I think that 2 ball might be. She can also get to the 2 right now. She could roll forward, shoot the 2 in the corner.
Wow.
And I think that's her plan. Gonna get rid of that trouble ball.
Right, and then she'll just come for the 3.
Yeah, you always want to get rid of your trouble balls as soon as possible.
I like to leave them at the end.
I know you do.
I like to live dangerously. Well, Chris Melling does it, so it must be okay.
Yeah, just shoot a 4-railer to get your weight to get out.
All right.
Bump the
Slow
8 for
down.
perfect. All right, I think she's still got a shot on the 3.
She's just having another look at that 1 ball, I think. She's going for the 6.
Maybe she can't see the 3. Because I'd have to think if she could see the 3, she'd be shooting it right now.
She might be stuck here. I'm not sure if she can see the 1. That was nice. Good
Nice.
speed there. Don't want to overhit those kind of shots, which is very easy to do, and she's managed to control that just about perfect. Now she's looking at the open 8 ball. Just having a second look at the 8 ball to make sure that she ends up where she wants. No, she's looking at possibly shooting the 8 ball on the side from where she was looking at.
Yeah, that's not a bad shot. The 8 does go on the side from here. Just stay away from that 14, which she's done nicely.
Okay, this is one of those shots that's missable.
Who broke this game? Was that Susan that broke?
I think Karen broke the first game, and she won that game. So I don't know.
All right, that was a nice shot. That was a run out from the break, I believe. I don't know if it was from her opponent's dry break or from her break, but I believe that was a run out from the break. So that was a nice run. In fact, Karen's breaking, so that was Susan's break. So I think that was a break and run by Susan.
Wow. I can't remember the last time I had a break and run in an A-ball. I don't think it ever happened before.
Really? Never?
Oh, I had it maybe a few times.
Well, that was a nice run there by Susan. All right, let's see if Karen can return the favor.
Yeah, I noticed that these players, they break pretty hard. They got a
But-
good break.
By the way, this is a handicapped tournament. It's handicapped by the number of games you have to win. Some of the players have to go to 5, some have to go to 4, some have to go to 3. Both of these ladies both go to 3, so this is just a straight race to 3. Although from what I've seen, they shoot pretty good, so. All right, Karen with the break. Oh, she did not hit that the way she wanted. I think it sounded kind of like a miscue. All right, ball in hand for Susan, and this is ball in hand anywhere on the table, well, not behind the line, anywhere on the table.
I like to see her run out here.
Yeah, these are a little bit more clustered than the last time.
I think she can do it. I want to see her run out.
You have confidence?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I like stripes. I think I like starting with, maybe start with that 13, get that 13 out of there, then the 15, and take care of these 2 stripes on the bottom. Like 13 in the side or in the corner. And that's what she likes also. She likes starting with the 13. She likes stripes. That's a tight squeeze.
I don't think she had it. Oh, darn it. She went for it. No, I like to see Karen run out.
All right, I'm still liking stripes. I think she's got to start with that stripe in the side over there. Oh, almost got to see, but she got down just a little too much. Whoa, slow down, cue ball. Slow.
She's called a 9-ball.
Yeah, and it's a big pocket with that 13 there, so she's got a big target. Rearrange things a little, and yeah, really messed up that 3-4.
I think she's thinking about what she's going to do with this cluster here. And
Yeah,
I
that's
frankly have no idea.
Yeah, I'd kind of like to know too. What do we do with this cluster? Oh no!
Gosh, dang it.
No!
Oh. So Karen she's got a chance to rearrange some things here, and
Yeah, I don't want to, but I don't want to rearrange things, except for maybe the 8. I
uh-huh.
want to actually. I might bump the 8 right here with that ball in hand on that ball she just shot. Leave herself more angle to bump that 8 out of there, so that it has
Now,
maybe some more options.
is she gonna shoot this combination here? Yes, she just called it. Looks like she will. I don't like that.
Yeah, just don't touch the solids. Leave them tied up if possible.
Okay,
All right, just bump the 8. The
let's
8
just bump it.
has a little bit more option.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna take a little break here. I'm getting a little hungry, so you
All
guys
right,
are left with Kevin.
all right. See ya. All right, guys are stuck with just me now. Tough cut here. All right, she just called safe. Yeah, I think just break up that 3-4. Just draw the cue ball over to that right side rail, like just this side of the side pocket. Well, good news is she can see it. All right, she's asked if she wants someone to watch this hit. All right, looks like I think that's Julie Cooper. Julie Fireball Cooper has been drafted into service here. Nope, that is not Julie. Nope, never mind, that's not Julie. My bad, not Julie. I can only see on camera here, so couldn't see her face. Looks like she's called it in the corner. Oh, what a shot! Give her a shot on that 8. That was one heck of a cut shot. I don't even think it touched the rail. I think it just went straight in the center of the hole. Wow. Nice shot. All right, this should be like a hanger compared to that last one. brings Susan to the table with a pretty nice layout now. Yeah, Sherry won her first match. Now she's gone out to retrieve us some coffee. Live streamers live on coffee. Never have enough. Need a direct IV. Not happy with their position on this. If she doesn't like the 6, she could, I think she could play safe by just rolling up on the 1. Oh, I don't think that 8 goes, so I think she's okay. Off the end rail, off the 1 into the corner. Bank it right between that 3-1 to that other corner. There might be an alleyway to bank it. Right between that 3-1. Split the uprights. Ah, crafty. I think she got her where the only shot she has is that long shot on the 6. Yeah, she's just going to play safe, just trying to just get her hooked behind the 1. All right, nicely done. Good shot. Nice touch. So by the way, Susan is a Michigan Valley 2016 Women's 8-Ball Open champion. 2016 Michigan Women's Masters Team champion. So she can play a little, as well as her opponent, which we've seen. All right, Susan on the hill. 2-1, race to 3. So I have the tournament bracket. I'm see if I can post this on. See if I can post this somewhere. All right, let's see if I can add this photo. Alrighty, I just posted a photo of the bracket on our Facebook event page, on the live stream event page. See if I can get a link for you. Alright, I think I got a link. Alright, that's the current bracket. Yeah, Susan not entirely thrilled with where she came up on this one ball. Oh, it went. All right, nice shot. And all right, bank the two. Bank the two, and that'll leave you a pretty good shot on the 7 in the side. Well, it'll leave you a shot on the 7 in the side, assuming you don't get hooked behind the 14, that is. There is that. Details. Oh no, and that 14 got her. All right, how is she with the jump cue? Oh, she's gonna kick at it. All right, just kick it in. right, it's going to bring Karen to the table. Yeah, I'm definitely starting with this 914 cluster. Get that taken care of right away.
Absolutely, it's our weekend on. Try it right quick.
All right, this 8 for the match. All right, nicely done. Susan defeating Karen Delapaz 3-1. This was an A-side match. Thanks for watching. We will have another match up as soon as we can, so don't go anywhere. Thanks for watching.